Hello everyone. In this video, I will answer a question from a student. The student is wondering about a diagram with 4 positions which are divided into 2 groups. The first group consists of position S and position L. The second group is position M and XL. Now the student needs to change the diagram width from 145 to 137 centimeters. In addition, the student wants to remove the first 2 sizes and keep only the last 2 sizes. So if you find yourself in this situation, here's what you should do. First, I will change the width of this diagram. You will go to Marker, enter Marker, and then adjust the width of the diagram. Change it to 1.37 meters, okay? Next, you will select all the specific details of the sizes that you want to remove. Then, you will drag your mouse across the screen like this, and you just press the delete key on your keyboard. Right here, there is a boundary line, so you will hold the left mouse button and drag it to this edge. Now, if you look up here, it is currently selecting both size S and size L, right? Alright, for the next step, you will select both the M and L sizes. You will need to hold down your left mouse button and highlight all of the specific details for the size you want to select. Once you have successfully highlighted them, please look up here. I'm now selecting the M and XL sizes. Now you will press delete on your keyboard to remove all of them. If you want to select the entire size that you're currently choosing here, you will click the AutoNet Slip Bit button. Click the left mouse button on it and it will select exactly the size you're currently choosing.